Hello friends, welcome to Shwetastudio. Are you looking for a simple and quick detox drink recipe? If yes, then please continue watching. Today we will be making 3 detox drinks. These drinks not only remove toxins but also reduce inflammation, promote skin health, boost energy and also aids in weight loss. Though I am not a big propagator of size 0 or a certain figure, but we all should work towards healthier body and lifestyle. Before we start preparing the detox water, I want to put out few things. In case you want to skip these pointers and jump to the recipe, the timestamp is being shown on the screen. First of all, you would have to prepare and store this detox water in a glass or ceramic or plastic jar because any kind of metal container will react with the fruits that you plan to put. Second, you can use and reuse each of the ingredients for 12 to 24 hours, after which you should change the ingredients. Don't worry, you are not wasting it, as anyways by this time all the goodness of ingredients have been extracted in the water. Third, let the ingredients seep in for at least 3 to 4 hours. This will give you the rich taste. Also, refill the container as and when you have consumed 3/4 of the water so as to avoid the bland taste. And to make it extra jadang, you can go and add ice to it. Since one can find cucumbers at market year round, I have used that as main ingredient in all 3 drinks. They are very low in sodium, a good source of vitamin C, magnesium and potassium. These were all the pointers that I wanted to put out. So now, without any further delay, let's get started. For first drink, I'm gonna take a mason jar. This one has capacity of 500 milliliter approx. Fill 3/4 of it with water. Then add ginger, which have been cut into thin slices. If you like ginger's taste a lot, you can also grate it and put. Next is cinnamon stick, also known as dalchini. Take an inch long. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Then comes the basil seeds, which is also known as sabja in Hindi. For people staying outside India, especially US, you can go ahead and use chia seeds. These seeds are power-packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, iron, calcium, and whatnot. Next comes in the hero, our very own cucumber. Last but not the least, apple cider vinegar. Add a tablespoon of that. In case you don't have ACV, you can add same quantity of lemon juice. As you can see, I screwed a bit and spilled few drops of it. Now fill up the remaining with more water and give it a nice stir with the help of a spoon or a stirrer. See guys, the basil seeds have begun to swell at the touch of water with a translucent white film coating. See, can you see that? Yes. So with this, our cucumber detox water is ready. For the second drink, take a container of your choice. This one has capacity of 300 milliliter. To this, let's add cucumber, which have been cut into chips. You can cut it any way you want. Next is lemon, which is again easily available. Up next, basil leaves, which is anti-stress, anti-cancer, basically anti-any bad thing. I'm gonna take 5-6 leaves and crush it with fingers so as to release the full aroma and medicinal value of the plant. Fill up the remaining container with more water. Adjust the spoon and stir it. And with this, our cucumber and basil water is ready. For the third and final drink, let's take the container, add kiwi to it, which will give sweet and tangy taste to the drink. Also, not to forget, it's also full of vitamin C, K, E, potassium and antioxidants. After that, few slices of ginger and an inch of cinnamon, half teaspoon of sabja, pinch of crushed black pepper, which is very good for digestion and has antibacterial property. Few slices of cucumber and pour water to fill the glass. Stir it nicely. And with this, our cucumber and kiwi water is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed it watching as much as I enjoyed it making. Let me know in the comment section below which one you liked the most. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon with more ideas. Till then, keep smiling.